Okay. Is it counting?
Yep.
Okay. These are Grandpa Al's strings. Now, you see, this is the track. And look at the train. Whoa, yes. You don't touch the train. Okay? But you can play with the trains with the transformer. Yeah, that's right. That's right. And Francis, are you part of this whole thing? Yeah, that's Francis, right. I call him Francis, I know you call him Frankie. Now, I want you to control the train so that it stops right over here. Yeah, that's Mama. She's taking the movie. Okay. Oh, no, you're not going anywhere. Uh-oh, yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, the train stopped. It wants to say hi to you. Yes, okay. Start it up again, Francis. Remember the reverse sequence? Okay, another. Fantastic. Look at this. Look at that. No, I'm letting you get close there, but you can't touch. Okay? Okay. Yay!